Okay, everyone, we are back for part 2 of the Boogey Light full perimeter underglow installation on the Solitude 3740BH-R. It's about 8 o'clock here on the East Coast. It's pretty dark. So I'm going to show you how far this controller will work. I got that extended range controller. It's up on my pin box. It's a little 6-inch antenna. We're just going to walk. I can walk quite a bit of ways from this thing, and we will see how well it works. So right now I'm probably 30 foot from it, and they're on. We're gonna go back a little bit further, see how far we can go. So right now I'm probably 75 foot, still on. This is probably 150 foot. Oh, and that looks like it might be about the end of it. Let's see. Oh, there we go. So that's probably right about 100. Maybe it's just the way I was pointing it. Let's see. Let's go back where we were. This right here is about 150 foot. That's working now. I think that's about our max range. Unless I point it directly at it, probably. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, it's about 80 foot there. So as you can tell, they're pretty bright. They're definitely brighter than the awning lights, but they give it a nice glow underneath for sure. So this pad it's sitting on is a 37 by 25 foot wide pad. So I mean it's a decent sized concrete pad, and it pretty much illuminates the whole thing. And we can change modes and do all kinds of crazy colors and stuff. Make it pulsate. You can change the color you want it to pulsate. That's my wife's favorite color, that teal. This will actually just change colors and stuff. But see, I'm the same level and you can barely start to see the lights. So I'm 10 inches off the ground with the camera. If you remember in part 1, the one that you may be able to see is that little one right there. That was the only one. Granted, the camera's about 2 foot off the ground. I'm not too worried about it. The only other ones are maybe those ones in the back. But that's just because that receiver hitch is kind of low. But just sitting here relaxing, I wouldn't be able to see them. Also makes for good lighting too if you're traveling and you just need to check on something. It feels a little weird while you're pulling it, anything like that. Fire them things up, you can see pretty much anything you want. It's straight daylight underneath your RV. There's those where I made those bins. Not too bad. I think they look pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the install. Yeah, these ones down here on the bottom, like the camera's touching the ground now, so. Tell me what you guys think. I think it's worth the investment. I think they'll last a lot longer than my Amazon lights, but we will see. Time will tell. We camp probably once or twice a month, so we're always on the road. We enjoy it. So here's the antenna sitting right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's it right there. It's just sitting right on the pin box. Nothing fancy. Alright, well, everyone have a good evening. Leave your comments in the comment box. Like the video. Thank you.